Good morning, children. Welcome back to today class. I hope you are all finished the homework of previous class. Today we are going to see our next unit, patterns and symmetry. Patterns and symmetry. But today we are seeing only a patterns. Seeing only patterns. 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 Patterns means a repeated design. Patterns means a repeated design. ஒரு design repeat ஆகிறது தான் patterns. Here look at the example. Here look at the arrow. Here go to right side. Here go to the arrow left side. Here third arrow go to upside. Here down side. Again you can repeat. Yes. Go to the arrow comes to yes right side. Then left side. Then upside, up, then down, okay, that is repeating a design. Now look at another example. Circle one dot, right side one dot, circle downside dot, circle left side dot, circle upside dot. So repeated the design. First one, yes, circle right side dot, then circle downside, then circle left side dot, then circle upside up dot. Here look at 4 comes, here also 4 comes. So design as a repeated. So a repeated design is called the patterns. The numbers patterns also, here look at 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Here 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are yes, 32. Then 32 2s are 64. Just multiplying by the each number into 2. Each number into 2. Here look at second example. 6, 12, 18, 24. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are yes 42. Look at third example, 95, 10. Second one, multiplying by the 6 table. Third one, look at 95, 90, 85, 80, 75. Just decreasing minus 5. 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70. Then 65, 60. That is increasing pattern, isn't it? So numbers pattern also multiply by 10, 2 or 3, 6 or increasing numbers or decreasing numbers. That is called the numbers pattern. Another example also, patterns in a table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 9 10s are 90, 9 10s are 90. Just look at the first column. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Look at the second column. Is downwards going to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Look at the answer. He arrived for this table the 10 digit. Which is the 10 digit? That is 1, that is 10. The 10 digit increasing by 1 and once 1 digit decreasing by 1. Here 9 minus 1, yes 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So 1's digit decreasing by 1. 10's digit increasing by 1. That is also patterns. Same as followers, patterns in multiple of 10. Here 2 into 10, 20. 2 into 100, 200, 2 into 1000, 2000, 2 into 10,000, 20,000. So just increasing the zeros only. Okay, now complete this table. Here multiply will be there. Here 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 3 into 10, 30. 3 into 10, 30. 3 into 100, 300. 3 into 1000, 3000. How many zeros add? Yes, 3 zeros. 3 into 10,000, 13,000. So you have added the 4 zeros. Then same as follows: 12, 25, 37, 68. 20, look at 12 into 10, yes, 120. 12 into 100, yes, just adding only 20, 1200. Then 12 into 1000, yes, 12,000. Adding 3 zeros. Here 12 into 10,000, adding 4 zeros. Yes, same as followers. You have write this numbers 25, 37, 68. Do the homework, children. Do it to a homework note. Here look at number tower. The number towers arranged by the numbers built in the tower from below to record the numbers pattern. Here look at the patterns. Numbers tower. Here 2, 3, 5, 7. Look at the downwards. 2, 3, 5, 7. Just added these two numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 7, 12. Then adding these numbers. 5 plus 8, 13. 12 plus 8, 20. Then adding these numbers. 13 plus 20 is 33. Therefore, the first one is the adding numbers. Second one, multiplying numbers. Here look at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 2s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 4s are 12. Multiply by this number. 6 2s are 12. 6 12s are 72. 6 12s are 72. Then multiply these numbers. 12 into 74, 864. 12 into 72, 12 into 72, 864. That is called multiplying numbers. So numbers towers, two types. First one adding numbers, second one multiplying numbers. Here, first you have look at downwards only. You can add these numbers, comes to answer. You add these two numbers, come to write a answer from upside. This add two numbers, write a numbers in upside up. Then multiplying numbers. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Then 6 2s are 12, 6 12s are 72. Then 12 72s are 864. That is called multiplying numbers. You can using a numbers pattern also, number towers also. This is homework. Complete the following numbers pattern. First one, look at 1 4 7 10. Here 1 and 4, just look at 1 after 1 2 3 4. So you have write a number 4. After 4 5 6 7. So you have write a number 7. So increasing by 3. So just you have write the increasing by 3. So same as follows 2 3 4. And second one, complete the following numbers towers. Here look at 5 4s are 20. Here 4 3s are 12. So here comes to 3. That is called multiplying towers. Here 7 plus 5, add 12. 7 plus 5, yes, 8 9, 10 11 12. So you can add for 7 plus 5, 12. So 5 plus 8 comes to what? Same as followers, third and fourth sum. Dear children, take your maths note and pencil, write the patterns and number patterns and do the homework also in your maths note. Thank you.